Let me ask you something. Do you know many English words, but when you try to speak about your daily life, you get confused. You don't know which tense to use. You think, is it go or goes? Do I say I am go? Why is grammar so difficult? Listen carefully. Present tense is not difficult. It is actually the most powerful tense in English. Today in day 4, I will teach you how to use present tense for daily life, one by one in simple and clear English. After this class, you will speak about your daily routine confidently. Let's begin. Hello everyone, welcome to my NEU English channel and English speaking day 4. In this channel, I am teaching a 30-day English speaking course. This course is for beginners, students and anyone who understands English but cannot speak. I'll speak slowly and clearly so everyone can understand. If you follow this course daily, your English speaking will improve. Let's learn English together. Present tense is used for daily routine, habits, facts, regular actions. It means something that happens every day, usually, regularly, always. Examples: I wake up at 7 a.m. I go to school. I eat breakfast. These are daily actions. That is present tense. Very simple and very clear. For most subjects, I, we, you, they, and plural use base verb. Examples: I wake up early. We watch movies. You study English. They play football. Nano and Ali go to market. No extra change. Easy. But now listen carefully. When we use he, she, it and singular, we add s or es to the verb. Examples: he wakes up early. She studies English. It works properly. Nano goes to school. Notice, I work but he works. I play but she plays. This is very important rule in present tense. Remember, he, she, it and singular, verb plus s or es. Now let's speak naturally. You can say, I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I have breakfast. I go to school. Speak slowly and clearly. Now let's make it more natural. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I always drink tea in the morning. Sometimes I watch TV at night. Words like usually, always, regular, often make your English sound natural. Now let's learn negative form. For I, we, you, they and plural, use do not or don't. Example: I do not wake up early. We don't watch TV every day. For he, she, it and singular, use does not or doesn't. Example: he doesn't wake up late. She doesn't eat fish. Remember, after doesn't, use base verb. Correct. She doesn't eat, not eats. He doesn't play, not plays. This is very important. Now let's ask questions. Use do plus I, we, you and plural. Does plus he, she, it and singular. Examples: do you wake up early? Do they study English? Does he play football? Does she drink coffee? Answer: yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. How is native speaker talk every day? Now listen carefully. This is a full daily life example in present tense. Pause and repeat after me. I wake up 7 a.m. every day. I brush my teeth and take a shower. After that, I have breakfast with my family. I usually drink tea in the morning. Then I go to work and focus on my tasks. I hard work and improve my skills. In the evening, I spend time with my family. Sometimes I watch TV and read a book. At night, I practice English because I want to speak fluently. Final, I go to bedroom at 10 a.m. This is real natural English. Clear, simple and confident. I am wake up at 7 a.m. Wrong. I wake up at 7 a.m. Right. He wake up early. Wrong. He wakes up early. Right. She don't like coffee. Wrong. She doesn't like coffee. Right. Small mistakes change meaning. Practice slowly. Now your homework. Speak about your daily routine for 1 minute. Use I wake up, I eat, I practice. Don't worry for perfection, just speak. Confidence grows with practice. Remember this, if you can speak about your daily life, you can speak English every day. Present tense is the foundation. Without foundation, a building cannot stand. Without present tense, English cannot grow. Practice slowly, speak slowly, and improve slowly. This was day 4 present tense for daily life. If you found this helpful, like the video and comment below. I practice daily and subscribe to the channel. See you in day 5. Good luck.